Having trouble accessing your voicemail? It's a common issue. This video will guide you through resetting your voicemail password on both iPhone and Android devices. As of September 2025, most US mobile carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile have streamlined this process, often integrating it directly into their mobile apps. We'll cover the most up-to-date methods, emphasizing app-based solutions where available, as these are generally the easiest and most secure. We will also cover other methods. Let's dive into the specifics. For iPhone, start by downloading and opening your carrier's app, such as My Verizon or AT&T Prepaid. Navigate to the voicemail settings, usually found under Account or Services. You'll likely need to verify your identity using your account credentials or biometrics like Face ID. Once verified, you can set a new PIN of 4 to 6 digits. Alternatively, you can try calling your own number, interrupting the voicemail greeting with asterisk or pound, and following the prompts. For Android, the process is similar. Open your carrier's app and find the voicemail section, often under Account greater than Services. Authenticate with your account info or device biometrics. Then create a new PIN. As a fallback, you can dial your voicemail number, like *86 for Verizon, enter an incorrect PIN until prompted to reset, or contact customer support at *6111. Remember to use a strong, unique PIN and keep it secure.